Hey! In front of me is FairPhone 3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three bars on the bottom right corner, and tap on settings. Then choose I accept and over here adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time click on Set as Live Wallpaper, just set wallpaper over here and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!